Can you Cash App and chill on your computer? Let's find out. Ever been lounging on the couch, phone about to die, and desperately need to check your Cash App balance? Or maybe you're at a friend's place and your phone mysteriously went missing. Don't worry, we've all been there. These situations can leave you feeling stranded in the financial wilderness. But fear not, curious Cash Appers. Today's question is, can you log into your Cash App online? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of digital finances and unveil the answer. For many apps, the answer is a resounding yes. We can bank online, manage our social media from a computer, and even order takeout with a few clicks. So, it seems logical that Cash App, a popular money transfer service, would also offer a web-based login option. But hold on to your hats, because things get a little interesting here. Unlike most apps, Cash App prioritizes mobile security. Their focus is on making the app on your phone the safest and most convenient way to manage your money. This means there currently isn't a dedicated website where you can log in with your username and password. Now, before you hit the panic button, there's a silver lining. Cash App recognizes that situations like the ones we mentioned earlier can arise. So, they've developed a workaround that allows you to access certain Cash App features on your computer in a pinch. Intrigued? Let's break it down. Step 1. Grab your phone, for now. Although you can't log in directly on a computer, your phone is still your key to Cash App heaven. Open the Cash App and make sure you're logged in. If you're not, enter your PIN or use Touch ID/Face ID to gain access. Step 2. Head to the Cash App website. While you can't log in on the website, it still holds valuable information. Open your favorite web browser and head over to Cash App website. The homepage will greet you with a clean interface showcasing Cash App's features and benefits. Step 3. Limited access, but still useful. Here's the key takeaway. While you can't access your full account or perform transactions directly on the website, it offers some functionalities that might come in handy. These include learning about Cash App. The website provides a comprehensive overview of Cash App's features. Whether you're a new user or want to refresh your memory, this section explains how to send and receive money, invest, and use the Cash Card. Signing up for a new account. If you haven't joined the Cash App world yet, the website allows you to create a new account. Simply click on the Sign Up button and follow the on-screen instructions. Customer support. Need some help with your Cash App experience? The website offers a dedicated customer support section. You'll find answers to frequently asked questions, FAQs, and even have the option to contact Cash App support directly. So, can you truly Cash App and chill online? While full account access isn't available on the Cash App website just yet, it still offers valuable tools and resources. You can learn about the app, sign up for an account, or get help with any issues you might be facing. Hopefully, in the future, Cash App might develop a more comprehensive web-based login option. But for now, the mobile app remains the primary way to manage your Cash App finances. Remember, never share your Cash App PIN or login information with anyone, and be cautious of suspicious emails or messages claiming to be from Cash App. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Cash Apping.